Alright guys, here's 100 feet of Ethernet cable. So it just comes with this, and that's it. Other than that, right here you guys can see some of the writing where it tells you what it is. So it is Cat6. It's for outdoor, so it does tell you that on the cable itself. It also gives you some numbers here, 550, and then some compliance numbers. So I can only assume if you're watching this unboxing video, it's because you want to see how 100 feet looks like. Because again, it's just the cable. So an unboxing shows you exactly what comes inside the box. Inside the box, that's it. So I can only give you some highlights. How about the cable itself? So here's a close-up of the cable. So you guys can see it all the way around. But there's not much to show you, really. Now again, I'm assuming if you go ahead and typed up to search for an unboxing about 100 feet of Ethernet cable, especially this one that's outdoors, again, you just want to see how big this is. Well, 100 feet is 100 feet. How much space does this take? Well, you guys can kind of compare it to my hands right now. If you're comparing with an iPad, it'll take up about that size when it's all rolled up, I guess. Obviously a lot thicker than that. But there's really not much more to show you about the cable. All I can tell you is that it does feel good. It feels like good quality. Definitely feels good. Good quality for sure. Because I've had other cables before where, you know, you buy them from your store, but they're not for outdoors and they don't feel like this. This feels pretty good quality for sure. So hopefully they will work out. I will be setting this up outside. If you guys want to check out that video about how I set this up around my house, then go ahead and check it out. But other than that, that's it for this unboxing. There's not much more I can show you about the cable itself because that's all we got inside the box, just the cable. And there was no box. It came inside the package that you guys saw. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.